They got it now, then. It won't fall now.
Well, they got the back tire out, but that doesn't mean they can't jerk it trying to lift it up. Oh, it's turning. Watch it fall face first. Now, see, look at the front end. It looks like she hit something.
Well, yeah, she hit something at some time, but I can't tell that she did it right before that. Sad thing is, they'll probably sue Chicken Express for not having a guardrail up there.
Why? Nobody has guardrails. Well, except Walgreens.
Yeah, Walgreens does. I'm just saying.
But the thing is, where it's at, there's no parking there anyways.
I mean, that's the sad thing. I mean,
If anybody should get sued, it's AutoZone. Look at the parking there. But I mean, that's their stupidity for not paying attention. They have no reason to sue.
Man, the taco toss was good today.
It was good, wasn't it?
It was.
Get out of the way.
Tell we get a hanker to go. We'll come here and get them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do Taco Tuesday.
I know. Watch them lift the back end of that thing and it fall. Go face first into the concrete. But then again, it is diamond towing. They are better here in town. What is he doing now? Oh, is he going to back up to it?
Yeah, he's going to try to pull it up straight.
And that sideways so it doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
It'll be funny if it falls off.
So I'm assuming he used his little Haida bar to pull it out. Is that what he was using to pinch the
I
tires?
imagine he shoved it up under there so
And
he
pinch
could
the
lift
tires.
and pull at the same time.
Yeah, the repo hook.
Yeah. Yeah, because that car's small enough, that's probably strong enough it could have almost lifted the whole car.
Probably. Watch him take out the back of the car. That would have been funny.
They might push it back in.
Boy, he's gotten it out of there pretty quick, hasn't he?
Yeah. Don't take them too long, especially they don't give a shit. I mean, when it's in there like that, what are you going to do?
You're get it out. Yeah.
Just get it out. I mean, you can't do a whole lot. Hello? Your phone showed up blocked.
He's hooking up the chains underneath the car to the winch so it can help pull it up the bed of the truck.
Yep.
People, you're not going to get into Chicken Express.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't. They've got the entrance blocked off to keep people out.
Did it die?
They still can because of the back. Or they can park out AutoZone and go. Walk in there.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how much metal crunches when they start to pull it, Chris.
They've got numbers on them, and it should have like a B26, B44, B56, something like that on it. Well, they'll be embossed in it usually, so you can still read it.
Don't close that because I'm going to get back in. Can you help me?
Mm-mm.
I'm going to get down.
Because I think it had Daco belts on it.
I'm going to put in sharp for some.
The big one.
Chris, I think she
There's only 2 belts. There's a short one and a big one.
I think she fucked up both axles because none of the tires are turning and they were in there.
Actually, that's 1 belt.
Oh, there they go.
Mama,
And the short
can you get basket?
I'll have to look at it. I thought it had a short from PTO to the middle blade, and then
No.
yeah.